The main exchange in France is Euronext Paris, which was known as the Bourse de Paris prior to its consolidation with Amsterdam, Lisbon and Brussels exchanges under the Euronext umbrella, second largest exchange in Europe behind the UK's London Stock Exchange Group. There are 898 companies listed on the exchange and there are no restrictions for foreigners. Access is also wide, and the top percentile in terms of the market capitalization of stocks is available to trade on any major broker by default. The exchange listings are denominated in euros. There are listings in both the manufacturing sector and the services sector, with all major industry groups covered. France's economy is highly developed and based on free markets. It is the world's 7th largest economy in nominal terms and the 10th largest economy in terms of purchasing power parity. After Germany and the United Kingdom, it is the 3rd largest economy in Europe as of September 30th, 2020. Paris, a leading global metropolis, has one of the world's greatest city GDPs and is the first city in Europe and 3rd worldwide for the number of Fortune Global 500 firms. In 2017, Ernst & Young named La Défense, Paris's central commercial district, as the premier business district in continental Europe and 4th in the world. France was the most represented European country in the Fortune Global 500 in 2020, with 31 firms ahead of Germany, 27 companies, and the United Kingdom, 22 companies. France was also the country with the largest weight on the Eurozone's Euro Stoxx 50 index, representing 36.4% of all total assets as of August 2020, ahead of Germany, 35.2%. Several French firms, such as AXA in insurance and Air France in air transportation, are among the largest in their respective fields, with L'Oréal as the world's largest cosmetics firm and LVMH and Kering as the world's 2 largest luxury product firms. Luxury and consumer goods are particularly relevant. GDF Suez and EDF are 2 of the world's largest energy businesses, while Areva is a big nuclear energy firm. Veolia Environnement is the largest provider of environmental services and water management in the world. Large construction companies include Vinci SA, Bouygues and Eiffage. Michelin is one of the top 3 tyre producers in the world. Capgemini and Atos are 2 of the most well-known technology consulting firms. In terms of revenue, Carrefour is the world's 2nd largest retailer. Total is the 4th largest private oil business in the world. Danone is the world's 5th biggest food corporation and the largest mineral water supplier. Sanofi is the 5th largest pharmaceutical firm in the world. Publicis is the world's third largest advertising firm. Group PSA is the world's sixth largest automobile and Europe's second largest automaker. Accor is Europe's leading hotel group, and Alstom is one of the world's major rail transportation conglomerates. Double taxation treaties are in plenty with other countries, therefore tax implications are low for the most part, but similar to their European counterparts. Property companies will be liable to capital gains to the French authorities, regardless of the double taxation treaty. Access to information on French public companies is widely available. In order to explore the French equity market, I recommend the Economic Outlook Business Indicator section of the English version of the INSEE website, Institut National de la Statistique et des Études Économiques, as well as the European Economic Sentiment Indicators published by the European Union. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.